Okay. So half duplex, full duplex, serial and parallel. So we will be focusing on these 5 topics. Okay. So before we start this topic, what comes in your mind? What are your thoughts about data transmission? क्या आप सोचते हैं मतलब डेटा ट्रांसमिशन जब वर्ड आपके सामने आया तो आपको क्या लगता है? What is data transmission? जी.
Transferring of data क्या?
Transferring of data. Anyone else?
Sharing or receiving data through one device or another.
Any device, can be a mobile phone, can be laptop, can be smartphone. Alright? Yes. So yes, exactly. Data transmission is basically sharing or transmitting of data from one device to another. So modes के अंदर we have simplex, we have duplex and we have half duplex. अब यहाँ पर इस टॉपिक को मैं समझाने के लिए मुझे कुछ वॉलंटियर्स चाहिए. I need some volunteers. Okay, let's spin the tool. देखते हैं किसका नाम आता है इस एक्टिविटी के लिए. Who is Muntazir Mehdi? आ जाए बेटा. Let's spin it again. Ryan. Who is Ryan? Can you please come? You just have to give this data, transmit this data towards the receiver. That's it. Take it. Transmit it, please. And so this is known as 6 modes of communication. The other thing, half duplex. Receiver ने sender को data दे दिया. Loudspeaker. Only the voice is coming from loudspeaker. Simplex. A two-way radio that has a push to talk button. सोच के जवाब दीजिए. USB. Alright. So ये जो दूसरी एक्टिविटी है उसमें आप लोग जरा जल्दी से सेटल डाउन हो जाए. I am sharing with you these 2 pages. Each group will get these 2 pages and a scissor. Okay. What you have to do? You have to cut these smaller triangles. Side of the triangle has a word. और एक और आप ट्रायंगल उठाएंगे, पढ़ेंगे डेफिनेशंस, डिफरेंट साइड्स पर डेफिनेशंस लिखी हुई है. आप क्या करेंगे? आप उन डेफिनेशंस को वर्ड के साथ मैच करते हुए बनाएं. एक पूरी पजल सॉल्व हो जाएगी. डिस्कस. जिसको आ रहा है ओके वो हाथ खड़ा करके अपना रिफ्लेक्शन शेयर करेगा. सो लेट्स चूज द फर्स्ट वन. अगर मैं कंबाइन करती हूँ इस डायरेक्शन को इस मेथड के साथ, लाइक सिंपलेक्स सीरियल. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक हाउ इट इज डिफाइंड? सिंपलेक्स सीरियल. जी. Data sent over a single wire in one direction. Okay, let's combine simplex with parallel. जी कहा.
Data sent over multiple wires in single direction.
In one direction only. Okay, very good. Now we have this half duplex and serial. Anyone? जी, from the last two. Yes, Muntazir.
Half duplex and serial. The data is sent in one direction, in both directions, but not at the same time.
Okay, and how about this?
On a single wire.
Over a single wire. Very good. Okay, let's. कोई स्टूडेंट जो कि रिकैप करके हमने क्या पढ़ा, मतलब यानी you don't have to tell each and everything in detail, just आपने बेसिक बताना है.
We learned about the modes and methods of transmission of data. First, we have the modes. Data are 3. We have simplex. We have half duplex, and we have full duplex. In simplex data transmission, the data goes in one direction only, and in half duplex, the data goes in both the directions, but not at the same time. Whereas in full duplex, the data goes in both the